All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. How's it going, YouTube? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Pepe update for you all. There are going to be some more meme coin updates coming forward in the future with some new coins ahead. So make sure you do stay tuned with the channel. We're on the road to 10k subscribers, so let's get there as quick as we can. Please do share this video if you can, as well as liking, commenting, and of course, turning on that notification bell on. But now let's continue on with Pepe. We're seeing over here that we've had this deep correction, and this is actually quite common for memes. Well, in actual fact, guys, I was in quite a large cap. It was in the top 100. It was V-Chain in the last bull market, where there were loads of 40 to 60% corrections during the bull market. And this was a coin that was already over 1 billion market cap. And Pepe, of course, it did get to 1.6 billion, correct? But it's seeing quite similar things. There are coins, under 100 million market cap, in the very few million, under 1 billion, where they are doing 70 to 80% corrections anyway in dips and still continuing in a bull market. So this is going to be very common practice for meme coins. They are in their own category. But if we're already seeing top 100 coins doing 60% dips in bull markets like your V-Chain, go check out the 2021 bull market if you don't believe me. There were 40 to 60% dips. So, and that was already in the top 100. So imagine all those coins, well into the 1,000, 2,000 rank, where they're only 1 million, 2 million market cap, 10 million market cap. These coins will do 70 to 80, even 90% corrections in bull markets. So that's why I always said in the last bull market to all my students, make sure you're focused on Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin, its correction is done and it's coming back up and it's going for new highs, then you don't even need to worry about your altcoin. Your altcoin will come back up and go higher because, of course, the alts are smaller than Bitcoin. It's easier to move them. But, of course, in corrections as well, when Bitcoin dumps, these are going to take hard hits just because they're easier to play with, easier to move around. You don't need as much capital. So that's why we've seen a 76% correction for Pepe. But as it was such a large market cap, it hasn't gone down as much compared to a lot of other meme coins, which we've seen many not even here anymore. Many have done minus 99% dips and won't be here anymore and won't come back when Pepe does eventually. What I'm going to look at today is a potential bullish pattern I see on the chart for Pepe, but please don't get overexcited, because while we are below the pattern's neckline, it is actually calling for lower prices, lower than this low. But let's see if that will actually be the case today. Again, I hope you guys will enjoy today's video update, so please go ahead and smash that like button and share this if you can. So I'm going to start off by actually taking it from this high over here, coming down to here. We can see that after coming down to the, oh gosh, I'm not even going to say the levels, 2290 over here, we had this bounce that actually failed to even come up to the golden pocket. So it's just telling us the momentum to the downside is there, because in actual fact, guys, when we have such a wave down, you're meant to come back into the golden pocket to then continue down. This is what we call a dead cat bounce scenario. It just literally is like a correction like that. It's just where you're going down, you can't go down in a straight line. We're correcting back up, like exhaustion phase essentially, and then continuation phase. So that's all a dead cat bounce is, and we usually come up to the golden pocket over here between the 0.5 and the 0.618. Was that the case? No. So if it's not the case, and most of the time that is what really should be happening, and it's not, then it just shows you how much momentum there is to the downside. So after this small rally over here, we need to get targets to the downside. So it will give you targets. As you can see, we came down to the 2 targets and then had another rally. So you just keep repeating that process again, and it's always giving you targets to the downside over here. It's not telling you which one exactly it's going to stop at, but that's what we're looking for. We're looking for those reversal candlestick patterns with volume and so on and so forth. So if you're not aware of all of these tips and tricks, I've got courses in place. I've got one-to-one mentorship. That is the best way for you to become a self-sufficient trader. If you were to take part in my one-to-one mentorship plan, then I'm going to throw in my course for you. If you take the full 10 hours of one-to-one help with me to work on all your personal struggles, you'll also be in my Discord community for your first 3 months completely for free. And then you can decide if you want to stay on at a 50% discounted rate. You can leave, you can join back, you can do whatever you want. I just want want you to see how it is for 3 months. And over the last few weeks, with this Pepe and all of these crazes, we've been trading them in the Discord community. So here is a trade of mine which I took, which was a 34% trade. Here's Glyph with a 46% trade, Crypto Binger with a 31% trade, and Max over here on BitGet with trading Pepe with 5x leverage, profiting about 40%. Hey Messi. And yeah, this is what we're doing. We were doing this over the weekend as well, so I'm just bringing you over to my Discord community so you can see some results over the last weekend. So this was yesterday about 7 a.m. Max was trading ladies. This was another meme coin that I haven't made a video on, but there was a little craze the other day because Elon Musk posted a picture and the NFT started skyrocketing, the token started skyrocketing. So Max has been trading that volatility. Look, 25%, 70%, 131%, 40% from Isaiah. Glyph here, 24, 22. I also took this one as well. So this is what we're doing in the Discord community, guys. We also do live group weekly calls. So we're going to do group weekly mentorship. We're also going to be trading in them. If you want to be part of that community, all the links you need are down below in the pinned comment section, in the description down below, or in the top right corner. It must have already appeared by now. But click this Twitter link if you want to private message me and get more details about what's going on. Otherwise, click this course and mentorship link. Again, you're going to get my course for free included with the full mentorship plan, as well as 3 months in the Discord community. If you just want to join the community and be part of those group mentorship calls, then join the membership level. I'll just briefly show you. It is this one over here, the £20 membership, and all past students, they do get 3 months for free, and then after that this becomes £10. So if you do actually take action on the course or the mentorship over here, you'll have the course for life, and then there you go, you get free Discord community for 3 months, and then it goes to the other rate. So what is the bullish pattern over here? So what I was trying to show you before going into my Discord community and the results was because we're using the fibs over here, and they can be quite a tough tool to use because there's 2 ways of using it. One over here as a retracement tool, you're measuring this big wave up. It's saying we should be coming back down to this golden pocket here, the most retraceable level, and then continuing higher. We can come as low as the 786 in which we've seen over here. So we're doing quite a nice thing over here. I'm seeing personally a bullish pattern, which would be this inverse head and shoulders over here. We need to break above the neckline. Without doing this, to be honest, guys, nothing is good. So we need to break above the neckline. I'll show you the neckline right now, but we were talking about this dead cat bounce scenario earlier, and I'm going to take it from the high of that dead cat bounce back down to this low over here. We are currently trying to get back up to that level. We've already retraced to this high, so the next high is here, and once this is broken, that's the next high. So what we would have been doing in the chat is putting it to here, which we retraced to the top of. Look, we've created the reversal wave by breaking above the golden pocket over here and holding its support. So by maintaining this area, I can even draw a line across on that wick. So look at that previous all-time high. Look at this low, very nice touches, and it's on the golden pocket over here. So if we can maintain this, we've created the reversal wave already. If you're not understanding this, this is what I mean by you need to take the action on the mentorship or the course to become a self-sufficient trader, so you know everything that I'm saying, so it's easy to follow along. Once you take action, all the videos on YouTube, you will be able to tell who's legit, who's not, because you have all the contents, you have all the contacts, so you can go and do further research afterwards. This is what I personally did. I took action on a lot of awful courses that I got scammed from, but once I found the right course, I went and did further research. I knew, okay, this is not enough. I need to keep leveling and leveling and leveling up. So of course, if you want to do that, I'm here to help you out, whether you want to do the course in your own time or do one-to-one mentorship with me. This is what I personally wish I had when I was starting out. Someone that could sit down with me and actually teach me until I understood it and became confident in my own abilities, so I can become a profitable trader, investor, and trader. So this is what we do in the Discord community. Now over here, by creating this reversal wave, it is looking for higher price targets, any of these fib levels, but this is just the fibs telling you that. So we could be from current price, as long as we're holding above this golden pocket and this green line, we could get a 55, 70 and 100% pump from current prices. But I'm going to check what the neckline of this and what the actual patterns target is. So when I'm drawing the necklines, I always like going through the bodies. Yes, there's a lot of argument for wicks. It's completely down to you. I just personally like doing it to the bodies. You can do it to the wicks. It's just preference, guys. There is no right or wrong. But from my 4 years in the market, that is what I prefer to do. Jeez, I can't believe 4 years already. It's nuts. I've lived through everything. Bear market, bull market, bear market. It is so long. So that's why I know this is a long process. And I'm so happy that we had these meme coins exploding. And if you want to profit along with us, you know what to do. Join the chat or become a student so you can just do it yourself. You're also going to be in the chat. So while you're learning, you can be profiting. And then you'll be learning from our trades in the chat and from the other students in the chat. We've got so much knowledge in there. There's a lot of students coming up with their own strategies because I've given them that confidence. So they're going ahead and doing it. And I'm even personally learning from my own students. Some of the students are becoming the teachers simply because they know, okay, this is not enough. I need to keep leveling up. I need to keep learning and looking out for new strategies to add to my current one. And this is what we essentially do in the chat. Any past students are doing this. So let's see what the target out of this inverse head and shoulders is. It's above 100% move actually. So this would take price to about 100%, guys, because it would be let's check from current price what it would be. Sorry, that's from the breakout, and then from current price it would be 120% moved. In actual fact, guys, if this were to be the case, you would just be returning to the previous high. You've also got some targets higher than that. If I were to get higher price targets for a new all-time high, once Pepe does actually get above 1.6 billion market cap, then I would be looking at these specific fib targets. So from current price today, just back to the high would be 170% move. To the first target, 300%. Very nice moves going forward. We could be getting anywhere between 300 to almost 600% move from today's current price. Of course, from the high, this is going to be different. So for any of you that are joining in today and you actually bought the exact top or in and around there, then the first target would be a 50% move. So once you go back into profit, for anyone that bought up there, you had a 50% move at the first target, 83% move at the second target, and 150% move. So this would be almost like almost a 4 to 5 billion market cap if we were to be getting that, because if this was 1.6 billion and 100% is a double, that would bring us to 3. So in between, 3 to 5 billion, this would be an insane move for Pepe. It'd really be cementing its place as one of the top meme coins going forward. It sounds outrageous, outlandish, but I do see it actually taking over Shiba. You know, Pepe's even a bigger meme than Doge itself, but you know, Doge is like Bitcoin of memes, so I think it is there. But with this new meme mania, a lot of the meme coins that were actually released in and around the time of Pepe, they're all following Pepe and not actually Dogecoin. So please be aware of that. A lot of the coins that were actually made before Pepe were not even moving as well during the Pepe mania or Pepe and his friends mania. So just be aware of that, because I was personally looking at some coins that the creators of Shiba, Ryoshi, and is his name Adam or Alex or whatever, the guy who made Doge Chain. I was looking at these coins and none of them were pumping while everything like to do with Pepe and Pepe's mates and loads of other coins were actually going up. So if you were to get into meme coins, or you don't even need to get into them, guys, trading them is incredible. We've been killing it in the chat. There's even more reviews or whatever over here. Look, here's a 52% trade from myself in the chat. Here's another 52% trade in the chat. And if you want to join, you know what to do. All the links you need are pinned in the comment section below. Just click that course and mentorship if you want to become a student. There's not too many mentorship slots, so if you want to take action on the mentorship, please do it ASAP. Otherwise, there's many membership levels. That's unlimited. Become a member today. Join in our Discord live call tonight at about 8 p.m. GMT during the Inter Milan game, AC Milan game. I think that game's already done. Inter Milan's already winning 2-0, so that's why I'll have it on like a second screen watching, but we will be looking for trades in the Discord community, in the group live mentorship call during that game. So if you want to join the community and be part of that call, we do them every week. We're going to do 2 this week, 1 today and 1 on Saturday. So if you're thinking about joining the community, and if you can't do it today, join before Saturday, so you're part of that group weekly mentorship call. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and hopefully Pepe can break above this, because if it does not and we lose this support, then this looking for lower price targets. But at the moment, again, this is not bullish as of yet. yes, we're just setting up bullish, and if it were to break out, I've shown you all the targets today, but please be aware, while below the neckline here, this pattern will not happen. There are still chances of going lower, so this is why I urge you to go ahead and learn this for yourself. Join my Discord community where everyone is helping each other out, whether you want to take action on the course or the mentorship, or just join as a member. Thank you guys.